Okay. So in the last class, we started the topic tens and hundreds. Okay. As I said, this is a very, very important, crucial topic of mathematics. You all may be knowing how to use a scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters will be there on the scale. If you have observed deeply, between each centimeter, there are 10 small lines you can see. Have you observed here?
Yes, sir. I
Yeah,
have observed
10
it.
small lines will be there. Those 10 small lines indicates millimeters. That small lines are called millimeters. So 10 small lines, 10 millimeters, that is equal to 1 centimeter. So that's what I wrote on the screen, you can see. So 1 centimeter is always equal to 10 millimeters. If I want to write millimeters in terms of centimeter, 1 millimeter is 1/10th of the centimeter. It is the 10th portion of centimeter because 10 small lines is giving 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be 1/10th of the centimeter. That is what I wrote. This is about centimeter meter relation. Centimeter millimeter relation. Now, what is the relation between centimeter and meter, kilometer and meter? That I mentioned on the board. Okay. Now you have to copy the things which are on the board. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 millimeter will be 1/10th of the centimeter. 1/10 is written as 0.1. 1/10 we write as 0.1. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Then 1 centimeter will be 1/100th portion of the meter. 1/100. 1/100 we write as 0.01. 2 zeros means 2 decimals. If I come to the kilometer, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Then 1 meter will be 1/1000 kilometer. That is 0.001 kilometer. 0.001. That's how you have to pronounce. So 1 millimeter is 1/10th part of centimeter. This is 1/10th part. 1/100, 1/1000. So this you have to note. Then coming to the first problem.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, should we write 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter? Should we write that?
This you have to write. Important note. This you have to write. This you have to write. After completion of this, we will start doing problems. I wrote 2 answers. Based on this, try to answer the remaining 4. Out of 10 boxes, 3 are colored. So 3 colored out of 10. That is the
3.
numerator denominator. Its decimal form will be 0.3. When 1 0 in the denominator, it will be 1 decimal. 0.3. Next, if you see 7 are colored in yellow. No need to go for colors. If you don't have right now with you, you can do with pencil, dots, lines, something you can do.
So please can you move? Sir, we have to write this now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. On. अम्मा फोन आ रहा है. Sir, Peter's short form is M. Sir, we can write meters short form as M.
M, you can write M. I wrote MT so that first time, no, meter to inform you. Otherwise, M is enough. Write only M.
Sir, we are not doing colors, but we are putting green like this.
Okay,
With
anything. You can put dots, you can put lines.
We have to writing G, sir. G means green.
Any color you can keep.
Okay, sir.
The third one is 2 by 10.
Yes, sir. 2 by 10. Fourth one 10 by 9 by 10. Sir. 10 by 10, sir. Fifth one 1 by 10, sir. Sir, the sixth one 4 by 10, sir.
4 or 5?
Sorry, 5. Sir,
Done, sir.
Then all 6.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
All students completed.
So 1 minute.
No, sir. No, sir.
Make it fast then. Vikas, switch on your camera. Pavitra, Shivashai, switch on your cameras.
Yes, sir. Should we write this?
No, 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 don't write, don't write. This is the information that how we have to pronounce. If you look at this 6.30, generally students will read this as 6.30, but that is not correct.
6.30.
6.30. You have to read it. See, 6.30. 6.30
30.
or 6.
6:30. 6:30.
630 hundreds. 30 hundreds means 30 by 100. 30 by 100 will become 0.30. That is this.
Okay.
6.30.
Sir, actually, sir,
or
we should not.
630 hundreds. Hundreds. Hundreds means by 100. Suppose this is 6.5. How to read this as 6.5? One way. Otherwise, 6 5 tenths. TNTH. TNTH. 5 tenths. 5 tenths means
Right.
5 tenths. 5 by 10. 5 tenths means 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is 0.5. That becomes 6.5.
Sir, should we write this?
No, no, no. I will give more questions after this. Just I am giving example. This is how we have to pronounce, how we have to read. There are two ways. You can read with point. You can read without mentioning the point. 6.30 or 6/30th hundred. 6.5 or 6 5 tenths. You can pronounce in both the ways. Many questions are there. Pronunciation, place value, all this I will explain separately. See. One, tens, hundreds, thousands. .678. So this is decimal place. This 5 is ones place. What is this 4? Suppose 45. This is tens place. Tens, 40, 5, ones place 5. Decimal, this 6 is there. 6 means this 6 comes under 10th place. 10th is different, tens is different. 10th place. 10th place means by 10. This 7 is 100th place. 100th, th. 100th means by 100. So this is thousands. THYND, THS. HS will be there. Can you see the place chart, place value chart I mentioned there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now to
Yes, sir.
support that place chart value, we will write one question here. If you want, you can write same. 4, 5.678. This is tenths. This is hundreds.
Sir, we have to
Yes, you have to write this. You have to write this.
Okay, sir.
Thousands.
So after writing the chart, should we write this what you are writing?
Wait, I will guide you what you have to write.
Sir, we can write like this also. T is a 6, 7 is a H. T is a 10. H is 100.
45.678. Decimal, tenths means 1 by 10. Hundreds means 1 by 100. Thousands means 1 by 1000. If 8 is there, 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000. 7 means 7 by 100. 6 means 6 by 10. This 45 is there. 5 means ones. Ones means 5 into 1. 4 means it is in tens place. Value of that will be 4 into 10. This is the place value chart with one example. The screen, no numbers are there, just place value chart is there. I mentioned the place value chart.
Sir, it is not clear, sir, so much.
Huh?
It is not clear.
It is clear. Sir, it's clear.
Okay, okay.
Sir, it is clear only.
In supporting this, I would like to give some examples. 32.86. 3 in tens place become 30. 2 in 1 place will become 2. Decimal is already there. 8 means 8 by 10. 6 means 6 by 100. $146.56.
Sir, we downs also we have to write.
Yes, yes, yes.
32.2.
Two more examples.
40 plus 6
Okay, sir.
plus 100. Sir,
Huh.
Can you please move?
146.56.
So 100 plus 440 plus 6
100 plus 40 plus 6.
plus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100.
Very good. Exactly correct. Write in words, write in decimals.
1 minute, sir. So why does 100th place come before? I mean, 10th place come before 100th place?
This is 10th place, this is 100th place. What is your doubt?
So, sir, 10th place comes before 100, sir, but here 100 comes before 10.
This one.
No, sir.
Can
Sir,
you please move?
exactly are giving sir like 32.86. So, sir, you put like 6 by 100
Yes.
and 8 by 10. So, sir, it should be like 6 by 10 and 8 by 100.
No. See, these are increasing values. Unit place, 10th place, 100th place. This is increasing. After decimal, it is decreasing. 8 is a big number. 6 is a small number. So this is decreasing. Tens, hundreds increasing. 10th, 100th, 1000th. Whenever TH is there, that indicates the small number. So this side, tens, hundreds, thousands, they are decreasing. Quite opposite to this. Opposite to this. This is different. This is different. Here starts with the 10th, 100. Two decimals means 2 zeros in the denominator. 2 zeros indicates 100, but it is a reciprocal, so 100th we take. Try this 347.52. Write this in sentences, write this in place value chart. Both.
43.
That's it.
Yeah.
Now look at this place value chart. Before writing this, you can take the help of the chart also. It is not compulsory. What is this number?
Done, sir.
What is this number?
Okay, sir. One.
Sir, we can only see sir 68, sir. The before number.
Yes, sir. Before the 68, it is something like. Yes, sir.
Yes, now it's
Okay,
okay,
it is
sir.
okay, sir. Now.
2000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 8.
2468.8 342 or 342 thousands. Thousandth. So two thousands. 400. 60. 8.
8.
Decimal. 3. 3/10. 4 hundredths. 2 thousands. So it will be 2000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 8 decimal 3/10 4/100 2/1000.
Sir, it is so easy.
Sir, after decimal, it's like opposite of the before decimal.
Yes.
Plus 400 plus 58 decimal 3/10 plus 4/100 plus 1000. Sir, over.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Here I would like to give some questions for homework.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is for homework.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Place value chart including sentence.
Sir, question is 12.34.
It's
1.34, 240.86, 724.33, 1245.69.
Easy, sir.
Okay, these are homework. Let us continue the class. Look at the figure. Identify the length of the pencil. I will send the PDF of this. If you want, you can paste it and write the answer. Otherwise, you can draw the scale, you can draw the pencil, and you can write the answer. If your printout is available, take the printout and write the answer there itself.
Sir, 8.3. The pencil is 8.3
You look at the pencil,
centimeter.
8 centimeters, 3
8.34.
millimeters. 3 millimeters means 3/10 centimeters. So 8.3 centimeters.
Meters. Sir, I said it's 8.3 centimeters.
8.3. Between 8 and 9, every line indicates 0.1, 0.1, like that.
And 0.2,
So length of the pencil is 8.3 centimeters.
Sir, how about our pen? Let's check our pen. Sir, I'm checking my pen.
What is the length of your pen?
Sir, 14.5 centimeters.
14.5. Oh, almost equal to the scale length, no?
Yes, sir.
Small scale. Small scale length is 15 centimeters always.
Yes, sir. At the large scale is 30 centimeters.
Yes, double to it. This is completed. Can I move to next question?
Yes, sir. Sir, this pen is so small, sir. So
Yes,
the
yes.
length of the pencil is
Pencil, both are small.
3.6 centimeters. Length of the pencil is 3.6 centimeters.
Yes.
Yes, sir, 3.6 centimeters. And sir, the length of the pen is 5.7 Sir, this
Centimeter
scale
3, millimeter 6, so 3.6.
Sir, the length of the pencil, the scale is different, sir.
Yes, yes.
It doesn't have 10 lines, sir. It's difficult.
Here it is mentioned like this: 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Generally, we will have 10 lines. Generally, we will have 10 lines. This is exactly half of that. Half of that. And 5 lines are there. This is half of that, 2.5. This is also.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes.
Sir, the scale from which their length, the length of the pens are, it's there in the scale below the scale, sir.
Sir, I have got the scale.
See, the red line, it was supposed to be here, in between this. It is showing little left side, but it is exactly should be on between 5 and 6. This should be here.
So then it will be for
5.5. 5.5. The
Sir,
pen.
here it's something like this, sir. Here it's
No,
only 3 lines.
In the drawing of the red line, it has gone little forward. It should be exactly in between. So you have to correct it. That's why drawn here. It is exactly in between. In between. Between 5 and 6 will be 5.5. So length of the pen is exactly at 5.5.
Okay, sir.
5.5 centimeter. Centimeter 5. Millimeter also 5. So it is 5.5.
Sir, only this much of pencil. No more.
But 5.5 pen, I am not able to identify. I am not able to imagine also. Small pen 5.5.
Sir, it won't be near your answer.
Sir, second one answer is 3.6 I got.
3.6 we completed long back, man. Okay. 3.6 is correct.
Pen sum is 5.5 meter.
Yeah, that is also completed. Not meters. It is in
Not
centimeters.
meters, sir. It's centimeters.
Millimeter.
Centimeters, not meters. 5.5 centimeters.
Sir, centimeters, sir. Not millimeter or meter.
Look at this. This is the pencil which was used completely, and last small tiny part is still there. I have seen some students they will use the pencil like it is like a gold or a diamond. Though it becomes very small tiny, even if it goes millimeters, also they will maintain the pencil.
Sir, I am one of them.
So who is among our class who use like this? Who use pencil like
Sir,
this?
me. Sir, it was
Sir,
so
when the pencil just overs, like one piece is also not there, then I'll use a new pencil.
Oh, Sucheta, then it is your pencil, I think.
Yeah.
So what is the length of this pencil?
5 centimeters, sir.
No,
No,
not
one.
5 centimeters.
Sir, 1.6.
Not one. It
Sir,
starts at
sir,
1. It is starting at 1, not starting from 0. You are not getting. It is starting from 1. It is 6 millimeter. It is very small. It is only 6 millimeter length. Very small. Very small pencil.
6
Very small.
millimeters, sir.
6 millimeter.
6 millimeters.
It is very small.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
that pencil can't be that's it.
We can't hold also that 6 millimeter.
Sir, that will be so much like.
Yeah, very exactly.
Sir, it's almost the tip of the pen, sir.
Yes,
The
yes,
tip
yes,
of the
yes, yes.
5 millimeters and just 1 millimeter more.
Okay.
Sir, we have to write this.
No, 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 no. No need.
Sir, sir, but how can that man who just made this much, how can he sharp? It will be so small, right, sir?
No, that no one will sharp. If 0.6 means it is come to an end, the life has come to an end. If you sharp it, it's not possible to sharp also. If you keep sharpening, your finger gets sharp. Your finger gets sharp, not the pencil.
Yes,
See,
sir.
what the question is very simple question. Whatever practically we are doing, that I am asking here. What do you mean by 0.9 centimeters? 0.9 centimeter is actually equal to how many millimeters?
Sir, 0.9 millimeters.
What is 0.9 centimeters? Is it same as how many millimeters?
Sir, 9 by 10.
It is same as 9 millimeters. 9 millimeters
Sir, 9
is
millimeter.
9 millimeters means 0.9 centimeter.
Yes.
0.9 centimeters means 9 millimeters, and 0.9 we can write as 9 by 10. This 9 by 10. One decimal, no, one decimal means we can write this as 0.9. So you know the answer now. 0.9 centimeters means 9 mm.
9
We can also say this
millimeter.
9/10 of a centimeter. Yes.
we
Zero,
have to
one
write
decimal is there. So we can write this as 9 by 10 of a centimeter. Okay, now look
Sir,
at
we
the
have to
answer.
write this.
You can write the whatever is there on the board, or you can write the story I mentioned here. 1 centimeter has 10
Sir, I'm
equal parts. So
writing
each
what?
part is 1/10 of a
What?
centimeter. 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter. So 0.9 centimeter is same as 9 millimeters. That explanation, what I had in the beginning, that we know very well, no need to write that. Directly you can write 0.9 centimeter is 9 millimeters. You can see last but one line. 0.9 centimeter is same as 9 millimeters. So 0.9 is
Okay,
called
sir.
as 9 by 10th of a centimeter.
Sir, 1 inch is equals to.
What?
Sir, it has 15 small lines.
10 small lines. Which
Sir,
one?
inch. Sir,
Inch.
inch and what?
Okay. Inch we are not talking. 12 centimeter equal to 1 inch. 12 centimeter. Right now we are discussing. We're not discussing. We discuss only about 10, 100. 12 centimeter equal to 1 inch. 12 centimeter. So that part we are not discussing now. That comes in the head
Yes.
classes.
Sir, I know.
Okay, so the remaining parts are there that we will discuss later.
Now we have to write the 10th one.
Which one?
Last one was 0.9 after 10 comes now.
See, the question answer is on the board. I already wrote the answer on the board. If you want to copy, here solution is there. Last 2 lines you can copy as the answer, which is same
Okay.
as on the board. Only
Over,
last 2
sir.
lines.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, at the last, can you give us a puzzle? We are going to be trying to do it.
Same, sir.
Puzzle.
Puzzle. You
Sir,
are asking
puzzle.
for puzzle. Okay.
Sir, please give.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, we didn't even think of a single puzzle, sir.
Sir, actually it looks like very hard, but it's very easy. When we know the answer, it will be easy. When we don't, it will be so hard.
Sir, The 2 classes back you had put the ABC flag
Yeah.
first floor.
Bulb,
No.
not plug.
Bulb. Sir, for doing some calculations.
I will do easy question so that you can answer now. You can answer this question. I will give one easy question. See. One small kid, maybe your age, went to a shop with 15 rupees with him. He went to the shop to buy chocolates. Cost of each chocolate is 1 rupee. Then how many chocolates he can buy?
15.
15, sir.
15 rupees with 15 rupees with him. Each chocolate cost 1 rupee. So he will get 15 chocolates. Fine. But when he was purchasing chocolates, there he saw one board. It is written today's Children's Day offer. If you return 3 wrappers to the shopkeeper, he will give 1 more chocolate to you. If you return 3 wrappers, he will give 1 extra chocolate to you. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
went to
sir.
the shop, you purchased 15 chocolates. Chocolates will have the wrappers. Eat the chocolate, take the wrapper and give it to him. If you give 3 wrappers, in return you will get 1 chocolate extra. If this offer is completely used, if you utilize the offer, total how many chocolates you are going to get on that Children's Day? That is my question. Think and give the answer.
Sir, now it's
Okay.
calculating part.
Sir, 5 chocolates. 5 chocolates. Sir, 5 chocolates.
Sir, 30.
What about that 15 you take in the beginning? All together,
No,
total.
not 5.
Sir, 20.
Total 20.
Chocolates.
No, sir. Sir, 24, sir, total. 20, sir. 20, sir.
Sir, 5 chocolates. Sir, 15 divided by 3, 5 chocolates. It's the answer from here only. Cheer for the answer.
Choose the
Cheer
correct
the-
answer. The answer is one among this. Okay. Instead of going guessing something nonsense, I gave 5 options here. Out of 5, choose the correct one.
20 to 25.
24 is right, sir.
Okay. Take your time. Next class we will give the answer.
Sir,
Don't worry. Next
23,
class,
sir.
I need the answer with the explanation. It should be perfect. Who give the correct answer will get a chocolate from my side when school starts offline. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You will get a good dairy milk when the school starts. So think and give the right answer with the explanation I want. If I get 3 answers correct, you will get 3 dairy milks, 4. If all class gives the answer, I will give dairy milk to all the class students. On the first day of offline class, you will get the chocolates. Okay? So question is clear, I think. I'm clear with the question. And this is the easy answer. I'm expecting at least 50% students will give the answer. First 2 questions you failed. That's why I gave easy question. After this, I will give hard question in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I see you. I will share the PDF. I gave 4 questions homework, only 4. Complete those 4 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.